What's good, you all? Welcome back. So today we talk about home maintenance here. It is gutter cleaning day today. How important it is to clean your gutters and what are the damage that dirty clogged gutter can do to your home and to your property, and also you how to clean the gutters the simple way. As you can see here, this property gutters are filled with dirt, debris, and leaves, and a lot of sand, roof material in this gutter. You can see the corner over here that is sagging down with a lot of heavy weight from the clogged gutter. And over here too, a lot of dirt debris. And when I walk to the corner over here, this corner are heavy clogged. A lot of roof material, and you can see that section alone was like over 10-15 pounds of material just from the roof material and sand. And this section over here, you can see a lot of dirt, debris, and sand, and that corner already sagging down. The bowl, the mount already fell apart, and you can see that the gutter is already like sticking further out and sagging down compared to the outer section of the gutters. So very important, these will clog the gutter. The water cannot flow properly and direct the water away from the foundation. That is the first thing, that too much water get close to your foundation. Eventually it will damage the foundation, and overflow gutters, clogged gutters can overflow the water back onto the roof. Not it's not common, but potentially it could do that. And if it's like overflow, flashback on the roof, that will damage your roof over time, and water can damage your roof over time. Repair or replacing the gutters and the roof are more expensive than maintain your gutters. Clear out your gutter 1 or twice a year to keep it clean, or before the rainy season, so that the water can flow freely away from the home, away from the foundation. Like this area over here as well. This area heavy clog, heavy material accumulate over time. You can see the thick layer of roof material, sand, leaves, dirt, and debris. And this is another area that when I clean it out, it's over 10 pounds of material, of dirt, debris, and sand. Super heavy in this area alone. And imagine that the water clogged right at that corner. It overflow over right at your front door, right at the windows. And it can overflow or flash back onto the roof and damage your roof. And think about it this way, how expensive it is to repair your gutter or replace your gutter system or repair the roof compared to maintain the gutter, clear out the gutter once a year or before the rainy season. A lot cheaper to do that than replace or repair the whole gutter system. So it's recommended to clear out your gutters, to make sure that the gutter water flow freely, and redirect water flow away from the foundation. It's a lot cheaper to do that, to maintain, than to replace or repair the whole system. And it's easy. You can get a ladder out, manual scoop the material out manually. If you are a DIY warrior, you can do that with a ladder, a scoop, and a bucket. You can get the job done easily, like this one over here. You can manually scoop it out, and majority of the material you can scoop it out with and remove it, clear it out, and then you flush the water. Let the water run through the gutter system to make sure the water flow freely, and flush out the remaining dirt and debris till your gutters are free of dirt and debris, so the water can flow easily. And this is another tool that I use to clean the gutters. It's a gutter cleaning tool. It helps extend out 10-15 feet on each side, so you can stand right in the middle and extend out 10-15 feet away and pull dirt, debris, and leaves toward you, so you can scoop it out easier. Then move the ladder multiple times. And this make the cleaning a lot faster, like I do over here. I extend the cleaning tool away 10 feet out, pull the dirt and debris toward me, and from there I just scoop it out a lot easier than move the ladder every couple feet. You can extend it out to like 10-20 feet if you have the longer one. So after you clear out the gutter, it should the water can flow easily and clear out the debris and doesn't sag down. The gutter system will work better and doesn't sag down because of the weight of the material that sit inside the gutter. Weekend warrior, you can do it yourself. If you don't, then you can reach out to a local cleaning service company, and you can have them come and clear out your gutter. Or you are local to Fresno County, we provide the service as well at Hillcow Solar Panel Cleaning. If you are in need of our services or would like us to come out and clean your gutter, and we also do solar panel cleaning, pigeon proofing, and roof cleaning as well. So you can call us at Hillcow Solar Panel Cleaning. Our phone number is 559-663-0299. We can schedule to come out and walk the property, walk the project, and schedule a day to come out to get them clean for you. All right, have a wonderful day, and thank you for your stopping by, for checking out a video, and hope that you can get some tips out of this video. And thank you for your support. I'll see you on the next video.